The QNAP TS-h886, powerful, expandable, and built for professional business storage solutions. Built with a durable metal chassis and optimized cooling design. Now let's open the system and explore the internal hardware architecture. On the rear, the QNAP TS-h886 features high-speed connectivity, cooling fans, PCIe expansion support. To access the internal components, carefully remove the rear mounting screws and slide the cover open to reveal the system architecture inside. Now, let's take a closer look at the memory slots. Carefully disconnect the motherboard fan power cables and remove the cooling fan module from the system. Carefully, the system is equipped with high-performance DDR4 memory, designed for faster multitasking, virtualization, and reliable business workloads. The QNAP TS-h886 supports up to 128 GB of DDR4 memory, delivering powerful performance for virtualization, heavy multitasking, and enterprise storage applications. You can purchase genuine QNAP products through www.amasouq.ae.